Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and here we have to find the security. It's right here, so let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and as you can see in the credential storage section we've got some options and the last one is remove all user certificates. So let's tap on it. Let's click on OK if you're ready. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.